welcome back to my channel. Guys, did you like the Timeless project? Did you like that mini album? I hope you do, because I am totally in love with that album. The size, the pages, it's delicate, it's activity, it's everything. In my opinion. So did you like it, and do you like to make exactly the same as I did? Then I have a kit for you guys, and in that kit there is of course the paper pack. It's a big fat paper pack this time because I decided to do in the future 78 sheets. Well, not in the future, this time also, and I believe Cozy Moments was also 78 sheets. So you got 78 sheets, 12 double-sided, 6 sheets each, and those pages are, you have a cover and you have a nice background, which is a nice color that you can use everywhere. You have cut apart pages, a nice green, but still it has a pattern in it. You have the pink grungy background with the flowers, and you have the green plate. I love this one with the grungy leather background and the leaves and the leather. I really like it. And then you have some nice pattern, nice and easy, and another cut apart page, and the back is also a very nice beige pattern paper. Then you have this aubergine color leaves, it's really adorable. Then you have this aubergine pattern back in this color, and then you have this one. Oh, I am obsessed with it. Then you have the aubergine plate one. You have another cut apart page with little tags, absolutely stunning. And then you have a beige stripe. Yeah, you know I'm addicted to stripes. And then you have a nice background with all the elements that is a little bit from the theme. A little bit letters, books, chilling time, all kind of stuff, but very vintage. I really like it. And then you have a nice light one, but still it has a nice solid, not solid, but a nice silent pattern. And then you have this one. This is definitely one of my favorite. The book, the old leather look on the back, and then all these colored leaves around it. And then, yeah, of course, a busy one. Really like it. Another cut apart page, and then the back you have a nice old pink pattern. Really love it. Then you have the same roses back again, but then with the old leather background. Super easy to use. Another cut apart page, absolutely stunning in my opinion. And you have the colored stripes, which you can use with every page. It's amazing. I really like it. So this you will get 6 times. Alright, so that is the paper pack, 6 times of this set. If you're following my tutorial, then I always tell that I'm using the first set, the second set, the third set, because I have 6 sets, and these 13 pages, I call it one set. So you have 6 one in here. So that is a little bit explanation. Why am I talking about a set? Okay, this is a set. Alright, so that's about the big fat paper pack that's inside. Of course you will get the chipboard, nice 2mm thick A4 size chipboard that's inside. There is a little welcome note with some measurements. It's not particularly needed, it's just a welcome note. And the lovely bookbinder's bin, the bookbinder's linen. I really love this design. It's so cool. I absolutely think that this fits amazing with this theme. I have no idea how you call this. No idea. Then you have a big ribbon set, of course, with everything inside, and you will have a little bag with all the embellishment, and you also get the aubergine white striped ribbon that I use for the last page, and everything is inside to use. All the cute little charms and everything, the book and the envelopes. Oh, they're so stunning. There is enough inside The chain is inside, the eyelets, the braids, everything is inside. If you follow the tutorial, I must say this, I made a little charm embellishment for the side of the spine, and I managed to punch a hole in it, and then I used this big round piece to add that little chunky charm on it, but I ruined a little bit the edges of the cover, and I thought, oh, I would like not to do that again. So I decided to add an extra piece in your kit that you can add with a braid inside. Just add this on your spine, and then you can use this big ring to hang this on. So that is a little explanation. So I changed my mind because I don't want you to ruin your spine like I did. Alright, so that is inside. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked this album, and I hope you like to make exactly the same as I did. So send me an email. The email is be found under every video. Just send me an email if you like it, and that's the only way to order it. Sometimes also through Facebook, but I really prefer using my email because then I have it all on one spot and I don't make mistakes. Well, I'm human and I always make mistakes, of course, but I'm trying to do my best not to. Alright, send me an email. Okay. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this project. Please do under every video. The tutorial is ready. I only need to update it, but edit it and all, but everything is ready. So I'm gonna do my best to upload everything, and I hope you will enjoy the tutorial. So yeah, hope to see you next time. Bye bye.